हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम देखेंगे कटिया V5 का सेशन नंबर 10। सेशन नंबर 10 में हम इंट्रोडक्शन टू असेंबली डिजाइन देखेंगे। Assembly design allows the design of assembly with an initiative and flexible user interface. As a scalable workbench, assembly design can be cooperatively used with other current companion products such as part design and generative drafting. The widest application portfolio in the industry is also accessible through interoper- interoperability with CATIA version 4 to enable support of the full product development process from initial concept to product in operation. Digital mockup and DMU navigator inspection capabilities can also be used to review and check your assemblies. Interactive variable speed techniques such as walkthrough and fly as well as other viewing tools let you visually navigate through large assemblies. Top-down assemblies. Top-down assembly approach. Uh, Top-down assembly design is an approach where the assembly structure and design are created starting from the higher level assembly, and then the individual parts are designed within the context of this assembly. This approach is practically useful when the overall product design detects the specifies of individual parts. Bottom-up assembly approach. In CATIA, the bottom-up assembly design approach involves creating individual parts separately and then assembling them. This method is useful when parts are designed independently and then need to be brought together to form a complete product. Product structure tool. Product structure tool workbench allows the representation of a component structure, product part assembly with an intuitive and flexible user interface. The components used are clearly identified, making the management of the assembly much easier. You can copy or paste component or constraint, add or insert a new components to the assembly structure, load missing models, replace components, modify components property, associate or remove graphical representation to or from the part. Which constraint toolbar represent in assembly? These constraint toolbar are represent in CATIA. First is coincident constraint, second contact constraint, third is offset constraint, fourth is angle constraint, fixed constraint, next is fixed together constraint, quick constraint, flexible subassembly, change constraint, and reuse pattern. These all constraints toolbar are used in CATIA assembly workbench.